Good morning. I am Reshma. To continue with the theme of our story, The Guest, for the class BA B.Ed second year, paper 1, unit 3. The Guest by Albert Camus. So, as in brief about the story, there are three main characters: the school teacher, Daru, Baldusi, a paramilitary officer, and the Arab, a prisoner. Baldusi was doing his duty, taking the Arab to the school teacher's place, Daru, and leaving him there and dropping a message to leave him or to take him just 20 kilometers away from that place. And he returns back to his post. And in the night, Daru has a feeling that the Arab should be released. So next morning, he gives him some food and money and shows him two directions, saying, "This direction goes to your native place where you can meet your natives and you can take shelter over there, and the other direction which goes towards the imprisonment." Saying this, he just turns away, and as he comes up the hill and from his window he sees that the Arab was moving towards the direction of the imprisonment. So this was about our story, The Guest. Now coming to the various themes. There can be many themes in this story. Let us discuss all the themes in detail. Coming to the first theme, morality. Daru faces a moral dilemma when he is ordered to turn in the Arab. It means when he was told to take the Arab. Like all the themes, here the narrative also feels that he is treated in lot of confusion. This leads him into moral trouble. He doesn't know what should he do, or he feels whether the Arab deserves the punishment or whether he should let go. This allows him a certain uncertainty. He fails to choose at all, instead allowing the Arab freedom or a trial. Trial is an imprisonment. So here Daru, ensuing the moral despair, he should understand the light of Camus' philosophy. Here Camus believes the decision was reached, so he does not show that the Arab was wrong, yet he fails to simply release the prisoner. He fails to make a decision. As a result, he felt in complete moral solitude. So this was about the theme morality. Now next, solitude. There are two kinds of solitude in our story, The Guest. As our story goes on, Daru feels or he faces a physical isolation on his remote plateau. This physical isolation is not a negative state. However, he has accepted his living conditions, and indeed he feels at home within them because he was alone living in the schoolhouse. The schools were not working. Though through the landscape itself it was an unfeeling and unforgiving, Daru makes himself comfortable within it. It means he was living in a state of moral solitude. He was living all alone. His failure to act with regard to the Arab made him disconnected from himself. He looks at the harsh landscape, once his home, and sees only his failure to choose. He faces himself as a failure to choose what is right or what is wrong. This moral solitude is most clearly seen on the writing of the blackboard. Once he had wrote himself, which represented his despair, and his own principles were betrayed, whether to allow a punishment for the Arab or not. If someone else wrote it, it would have been a clear threat. Daru, who failed to use judgment, now will be judged by others. So, this is the situation of isolation which Daru was facing. The next theme can be freedom. Now, freedom is seen in the whole story, or it lies in the whole core of the story, the guest. It is connected to the human rights or the right to choose the proper course of action. Freedom gives life to meaning. Camus believed through independent action one finds the value of life. This is represented through the philosophy. Daru chooses to live in the plateau region, and this is a choice out of which you can understand how absurd it is. Any human needs a place or a good climate where he can live. So we all need to make a home for ourselves within an essentially uncaring universe. Like we always know that the universe is uncaring. Anytime any worst conditions can happen. Like now we all are facing the conditions of corona. So you never know what conditions the universe can give us. So similarly, the way we make this home is through our individual choice. That is why we all should have freedom. However, the freedom to choose is also an obligation. Now here, when we decide not to fall the victim of cruelty of the universe, here the freedom which Daru had given to Arab, it was his own choice. The Arab decides to turn himself in, and Daru suffers for it. Daru should have made a decision. When Daru saw Arab going towards the imprisonment, he feels that he should have made a decision one way or the other and stuck with it. Instead, he finds himself in a state of desperate moral ambiguity. That is again a confusion. So here again freedom is for the Arab and Daru both. The Arab had got the freedom but he did not use it, and Daru feels that he should have given freedom to Arab. Like he gave him the decision to take freedom, but he says he should have given him the freedom to run away or go back to his natives. Next, the absurd or absurdity. Absurdity is something which is not logical, which is sensible, or which is ridiculous. Here, Camus just writes or he just says that one must continue striving or choosing or pursuing freedom, even though the universe does not care whether we live or die. Daru's ability to find comfort within the harsh plateau climate made his absurd conditions and his failure to respond to the moral dilemma represented by the Arab ultimately crushes him. So he faces the condition of confusion. That is why one must choose anyway. And Daru fails to do so. That is why he is in the condition of despair. Now, the next and the last, a funny theme which can be limits of human knowledge. Now, this is everyone in the guest has a limited knowledge of happenings of the story. I guess even you also must be thinking. Baldusi does not know why the Arab killed his cousin. Even we do not know. Or why Daru must take the Arab to police. He simply has his orders and follows them. Daru doesn't know whether the Arab should be released or punished, though he constantly tries to get information about why the Arab committed murder. And even if he did, why? Meanwhile, the Arab displays confusion why Daru asks him difficult questions when Daru explains his choice to either escape to south or turn himself to police. Here again it is a limitation of knowledge. The reader, like we or you students, the readers to occupy a limited knowledge. We never learn why the Arab deserves punishment or freedom. We never know who wrote the message on the blackboard. So Camus also the writer also denies of this crucial knowledge by putting all of us in a similar position to Daru. So in this way, the story, The Guest, is an end of all the limitations to our human knowledge. We all understand each other's point of views. Maybe we are understanding, or maybe we